today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make French toast. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so French toast is just one of those things where there's no exact recipe, everyone has their own way. Basically it's the same ingredients, but everyone does it differently. So I'm going to show you my take. So we'll start off with cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. And to our eggs we're going to add a pinch of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and finally 1/2 cup of full cream milk. And we're just going to whisk that all together. Just like that, so you want to well combine. And for my recipe I'm going to be using 4 slices of toast bread, so it's just at room temperature, not cold. You can use any bread you like. So brioche also goes very well. So let's move on to our stove. So guys, just into a large pan on a low to medium heat, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we'll also add in about a teaspoon of butter. And guys, the idea here is simple. Get your butter, get your toast bread, dip it in, just like that. Make sure it's well covered and straight into the pan. Don't let it soak in there, you just want a quick dip in there. In my case, we'll do 2 at a time. And all we're really doing is browning them off on both sides. So roughly about a minute should do, depending on your heat. Alright guys, so you basically want a nice golden brown colour like that. So you flip it over. We'll give this one a few more seconds because we put this on after. Alright, beautiful. Flip that one too. So we're repeating the same on the other side now. I still remember the first time I ever had French toast. I was a kid, it was just after school, I was at childcare. And I thought it was really fascinating. You know, growing up with Middle Eastern food, this was something completely different. Alright guys, so that looks perfect on both sides as you can see. So we'll take that out and plate it. And we'll just repeat cooking all the rest. Alright guys, that's looking fantastic, so let's go ahead and serve. Alright guys, so at this point you can do whatever you want. I like to keep it very simple, same with pancakes. I just like to sprinkle with icing sugar. And of course you can't have this without maple syrup, so let's go ahead and drizzle that on. Or of course you can use honey or golden syrup too if you prefer, that's up to you. So that's all there is to it guys, and just look at that, perfect. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.